Best bulbs to plant now for spring color. Tulips. That's going to be very colorful. Daffodils, but those are mostly yellows and whites. Yep. Mm-hmm. But still, it gives you a pop of happiness.
Hyacinths,
Hyacinths are good.
Hyacinths are very aromatic. And, of course, if you want something which you can plant even really late, crocus.
That's a good one, David.
Yeah, shout out Ben Trest if you're listening. He used to work here. He loved his crocus.
Really? Yeah. I never heard him talk about that.
No, he did. He loved his crocus. Yeah. Mm-hmm. He was all about it.
I call them like an understory bulb. They don't get tall. They don't really block the view of anything else. So you can put those right out in front of other areas. And they do a nice job of adding a little splurge of color.
Yep.
They do. I love spring bulbs.
Oh, there's just
they're kind of a... that first splash of stuff, when it's been a bleak, dark, gray winter.
And then you see them peeking up and they're like, here I come. Exactly. There's hope. It's going to be sunny and warm soon.
Mm-hmm. Tulips especially. Tulips are the most planted bulb on the planet, and there's a reason for that. If you have holes in the garden, y'all, tulips. And we have a good selection of tulips right now.
We do. We still have a good selection.
Nice colors, yeah.
It's still not too late to plant. I always wait until last minute. One year I planted them in the dead of winter. About half of them came up, but I still had something, which was good.
It's okay.
But I need to actually get out there and start planting mine now.